Greetings, fellow entrepreneur. This is Mansour Bey giving you 250 small business tips for 2011. Tip number 17 is make use of a free phone service, a branch from tip number 16. Tip number 17 will help you stay on target with organization and efficiency. Many other free phone services provide excellent features, which may include a local number, voicemail, call forwarding, free loan distance in the United States, transcribed messages and faxes delivered to your inbox, and even voicemail alerts to your cell phone. I am just amazed you can get stuff like this for free. Use of these services can only enhance your existing business communication as well as protect your home and cell phone numbers. If you like tip number 17, I'd love to get your thoughts on this topic, and do not hesitate in sharing this video. Also here for a list of free phone services you can use for your business, visit my blog at www.250smallbusinesstips.com. Thank you for watching this video. Do not miss out on my next small business tip, and remember, make use of a free phone service.